managing those kasi 80 siya, and then sabi ni Sir Bongo is mag-need siya ng help, ganun. How is he managing?
Totoo yan, ma'am. Paulit-ulit yung damit niya, kaya sinabi niya sa akin na ipadala mo yung maleta ko. Ang problema lang nito, ma'am, is hindi siya marunong maglaba kasi.
Kami na lang maglaba.
Kami na lang maglaba. That is why I advised him. I told him, Papa, can you just parang monitor what your
what they're doing,
other detainees are doing, so that you can do it as well. So, yun lang. Sa ngayon, ma'am, ang mangyayari is siguro padalhan ko na lang siya ng padalhan para hindi na siya kailangan maglaba, ma'am.
Correct.
So, ganun na lang muna until he gets the system in kung paano maglaba doon sa loob.
Yeah. And VP,
hindi ko siya marunong maglaba, magluto, ma'am, tsaka maglinis.
And VP, another question po. A lot of people were sending post po, yung mga, lalo na po yung his birthday card since last week. And I was also one of the, we made a card yesterday here. Yung iba po ba na-receive na, nabasa na po ni President?
Yes, nagtanong ako sa kanya kung may na-receive ka, sabi niya madami. Ang ano lang ata is it takes time for him na kasi he's hard of sight na rin, diba? So isa-isahin niya na magbasa, and wala pa siyang assistant doon na mag-arrange ng ng kanyang
An
assistant, no, he's not allowed an assistant inside, but the guards are helping him because they understand his limitations because of his age. So like before he went up, the guard was holding his coat.
How he's
bringing him to his room.
Kailan ka may possibility na makauwi siya?
Ang possibility na makauwi siya, kailangan nyo po tanungin sa abogado. Hindi po kasi, meron po kaming linya ng abogado na siya lang po yung magsasalita patungkol sa kung ano yung strategy at kung ano yung gagawin nila legally. Pero I assure you na merong ginagawa ang mga abogado.
Nice to know.
Para matapos yung paghihirap ni
that's nice to know.
Because he don't deserve it. How he's managing his medication?
Sa situation niya inside.